So I currently have the key fob to the 2025 Lincoln Aviator, and I'm going to show you how to swap out the battery in this thing should it go bad. So first off, grab your key fob right here. On the edge that has the ring where you connect your keychain to, you're going to see two kind of raised lines right below the horn button or the alarm button. You're going to push down on that and then pull on the side that has the keychain. So pushing down and pulling out will reveal this manual key. So what you're going to do is take your manual key and on the side that has the Lincoln logo, turn it to the side so you see right here. Grab your manual key and you see a slot right here. What you're going to do is put that manual key in that slot at any point in the slot, but then twist up or down, which will then allow you to pop this side out. So use your fingers to kind of pry it, and it will come apart just like that and fly across the room. So what that will reveal is a Panasonic CR2450 battery. It's kind of reflecting. There you go. Better look at it. A Panasonic CR2450 battery. So what you can do is use your fingernails, use the key, pop this out. There's no need to worry about the battery. Just pop it out however you want. But when you put the new battery in, try not to touch the other side that does not have the branding on it, because if your oils from your fingers get on that, you'll be watching this video a lot faster than you normally would, because your oils will limit the life of the battery. So pretend you've popped this out, slide it back in, and you're going to just do the reverse of what you've done. So put the clamshell basically back together. You hear some clicks. I always joke, try not to push the red button because you're going to freak out yourself or your neighbors depending on where you're doing this at. Be sure to put the manual key back in its slot and you are good to go. Now, you do not need to code the key to your car or anything like that. The vehicle will remember that it has this key. You're just simply changing the battery out. If a dealer tries to tell you that there's so much complex stuff that needs to happen for the key to remember that it's part of your car, they're just trying to get an hour of labor out of you. I've seen people say that dealers will do this for free for them just to keep you as a customer. Some will do half an hour of labor, but really you just need to get the batteries off Amazon. I'll put a link in the description for the cheapest place to get these batteries from, which of course is Amazon. And you can do it yourself at home and not have to play kind of the dealership game. But hope you like this quick video showcasing how to swap out the battery in your 2025 Lincoln Aviator. And this will also work for any other Lincoln that has the same key fob. If you can like this video and subscribe to my channel if you've not already, every little bit helps and I appreciate it all. Thanks for watching.